Hey, what's up everybody? This is Usama here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how can you customize the theme for your Go HighLevel dashboard and its metrics. So let's have a look at my screen here. Right now I'm under the dashboard section of my Go HighLevel sub account, and as you can see here, we have a default view or colors or theme for our sub account's dashboard. Now, if you want to change the colors to your own brand, or maybe you prefer a different look, you can easily change that. So it's very easy and quick. All you have to do is click on this pencil icon which says edit dashboard. So click on that, then click on add widget here, and then we're going to head over to themes, and then you will find here that we have some quick themes available. So if you click on these, you will see that the colors of the metrics or sometimes the background will change. So these are some default looks if you want to prefer that. But if you want to change the look a little bit more or customize it even better, you can click on this custom icon, and this will unlock some more options. So here you have an option to change the title color, background, metrics, charts, and links. So let's go ahead and test out some of these. Now, if you're like me and prefer a dark theme, the first thing I will do is go ahead and click on the background color, and I would select it in a darker theme here. And then of course, to give it a contrast, we'll need to do a white text color here so that it has better visibility. And then in order to change the metric color as well, I'll take that to white as well so it stands out. And then for the chart color, I'm also going to try white. I think that looks a little bit better. And then for any links, I'm also going to do white. So it's up to you. I mean, we have some customization available if you want to do different colors, but this really looks great in terms of dark theme, and this is what I would prefer. So this is something that you can do as well. You can change it around. This could be helpful if you really want to brand it in your own colors, or maybe if you prefer any of these quick themes, this can be a good option for customization on your dashboard.